Hi Scott, Chris Hibbler here, the board repair guy with your Black Knight soundboard. And I've got it on my test rig here, which I'm going to turn on now. And then we're going to test some of the individual sounds on your Black Knight soundboard. It's all repaired, by the way. So I'm just going to ground some of the sound selects. And then, well, some of these don't make sounds by themselves. And then I'm going to play the diagnostic tune. Here you go.
Night black, defend, challenge thee, will you, I, again, slay, cannot, self, enemy, run. Night black.
Okay, this baby's ready to go, Scott. I'll get you an invoice and get it back to you. Thanks for sending it to me.